Alright guys, we're back here on our E46. We've got a new garage door opener, so we're going to reprogram our HomeLink here. So first we're going to clear out the old codes in here, because I don't want them anymore. Hold down the 1 and the 3. The light's going to flash. Maybe. Maybe. There it goes. All the old codes are cleared. So now what we need to do is we need to program our remote to this. So we're going to hold down the 1 because that's the one I want while pressing the button on here. And it should start flashing fast. It could take up to 20 or 30 seconds on these. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into our garage here. It's kind of a mess, we just installed this today. So this is a newer garage door. Since this is a newer garage door, the old code doesn't work with these newer units, so I had to get a repeater. So we're gonna plug that in. Up there. Then over here we're just going to press our learn button. So it's in learn mode. So now we have 30 seconds to press the button in here. Hopefully make something happen. Now when I hit the button, the garage door closes, which is a good thing. And now when I hit the button, the garage door opens. So just to reiterate those steps, I cleared out the codes by hitting 1 and 3. We saw it flash, and then what I did is I held down the button, but I was holding the button down too much with this guy. So after I released it the first time, I didn't get this on film. I came back a second time, pressed it, and clicked the button for the garage door opener to learn it to this. It blinks slow, and then it blinks super fast. And then, once you got the remote programmed to this, you go in the garage, you hit the learn button on your garage door opener. It's usually on the side, and it's a color. At least on mine it is. Then you come in here and you hold your button down, and your light in the garage will blink, showing that it's programmed, and then your HomeLink now works. Alright guys, so that's quickly program your HomeLink system in your E46 BMW. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you guys all next time.